All right, here we are learning lesson 1.4 piecework. There is one equation for piecework, and that is total pay equals rate per item times number of items produced. So again, that was rate per item times the number of items produced. On the previous slide, you should have seen a vocab word that said piecework. Piecework, when you're getting paid piecework, this is a person who gets paid per item. Carpenters, where they're building something, they might get paid piecework, so they get paid per item. We're going to dive into our questions here. So I am going to be looking at example number 2. Example number 2. This states, Raymond silk screens prints for a local artist who pays $4 for each print he completes. Last week, he silk screened 75 prints. This week, he completed 71. What is his pay each week? Ooh, good catch of a word there. Each week. So, we take, based on our equation, we take his rate per item. Now, his is these silk screens. So, he's getting paid $4 for each item. And I know I'm going to be doing this for this week and last week. I really should have wrote those backwards, but that's okay. So last week he completed 75. So since I labeled this as last, I got to put the 75 over here. And this week he completed 71. So let's see what he gets paid for these two respective weeks. 4 times 75, he got paid $300 last week. How much does he get paid this week, though? Let's take a look. 4 times 71. He only gets paid $284 this week. Why do you think his pay went down? Because he didn't produce as many. This leads us into the next try on your own. For these items, I'm going to give you 5 minutes tops. Go ahead, pause your videos now, and work on these two problems in the next 5 minutes. As you can see, the answers have now been provided for you. Notice that this person got paid more. They produced less items, and their money is still more than this person that gets paid less but made more items. So it's not about quantity, or it's more about quantity and how much you make per item. That depends on your pay. Just because you make more of an item doesn't mean necessarily you're going to make more money. It just depends on the rate you're getting per item. So keep that in mind. On to the next set of examples.